Welcome students, welcome to my channel Streams of Dreams. I'm here with the topic of monsoon, that is rainy season. The summer monsoon is associated with heavy rainfall. Monsoon brings a humid climate. It usually happens between April and September. Rainy day has very pleasant weather with cool breeze and rain showers. Rainy day is loved by people of all age groups including kids, adults and elderly people. Kids come out and play different games to enjoy the rainy day. Rainy day for family meals, spending quality time together by having hot snacks like pakoras over tea time. People enjoy a rainy day by taking a bath in the rain as rainwater is pure and refreshing. In rainy day, we can see rainbow in the horizon. Nature becomes more rhythmic and soothing on rainy day as we see peacocks, frogs dancing and jumping to celebrate the joy of rain. The rainy season brings cooler temperatures, which is a relief after hot summer days. People often use umbrellas, raincoats and boots to stay dry during the rain. I hope you all are enjoying the rain these days. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.